If you've been searching for a kitchen appliance that can do more than just one job, then you're going to want to pay close attention to this compact 2-in-1 electric air fryer oven. Over the past few years, consumers have been moving toward appliances that offer multiple functions while saving valuable kitchen space. And this product is designed with exactly that goal in mind. The first thing you'll notice is its compact and modern appearance. Unlike bulky kitchen equipment that dominates your countertop, this unit is designed to fit comfortably into a variety of kitchen setups. Whether you're living in an apartment, a dorm room, a small home, or simply want to maximize your available counter space, the compact design makes it a practical addition to almost any environment. What makes this appliance stand out is the combination of two highly popular cooking methods in one machine. Instead of purchasing an air fryer and a separate countertop oven, you get both capabilities integrated into a single appliance. This not only helps save money, but also reduces clutter and simplifies your cooking routine. Air frying has become one of the most talked about cooking technologies in recent years, largely because it offers a healthier alternative to traditional deep frying. By using powerful hot air circulation, this appliance is capable of cooking food evenly while creating a crispy exterior that many people associate with fried foods. The result is food that looks and tastes satisfying without requiring excessive amounts of cooking oil. Whether you're preparing crispy French fries, chicken tenders, onion rings, vegetables, frozen snacks, or even reheating leftovers, the air frying function performs impressively. Foods develop a golden, crispy texture while maintaining moisture inside, creating an enjoyable eating experience with less grease. Beyond air frying, the oven functionality significantly expands what this appliance can do. You can bake cookies, roast vegetables, toast bread, warm pastries, and prepare many other dishes without relying on a large conventional oven. This flexibility allows users to handle a wide variety of meals and snacks using a single appliance. One of the biggest benefits of using a compact cooking system like this is speed. Traditional ovens often require lengthy preheating periods before cooking can even begin. Because this unit has a smaller cooking chamber, it typically reaches cooking temperatures much faster. That means less waiting and more efficient meal preparation throughout the day. The controls are designed with convenience in mind. Even first-time users can quickly understand how to adjust temperature settings and cooking times. The straightforward interface removes unnecessary complexity and helps ensure a smooth user experience from the very first use. Another advantage is versatility. Many kitchen appliances excel in one area but struggle when asked to perform multiple tasks. This 2-in-1 system is designed to handle a broad range of cooking applications, making it suitable for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. From crispy appetizers to baked desserts, the appliance offers enough flexibility to support a wide variety of cooking preferences. Energy efficiency is another factor worth mentioning. Large ovens often consume significant amounts of electricity, especially when cooking smaller portions of food. Because this appliance concentrates heat in a smaller cooking space, it can often complete cooking tasks using less energy. For households that cook frequently, those savings can become noticeable over time. The cooking capacity strikes an excellent balance between compactness and practicality. It is large enough to prepare meals for individuals, couples, and small families, while still maintaining the space-saving advantages that make it attractive in the first place. This balance is one of the reasons compact air fryer ovens continue to gain popularity among modern consumers. Cleaning and maintenance are also relatively simple. Removable trays and accessories make cleanup much easier compared to some traditional cooking equipment. Since convenience is one of the primary reasons people invest in kitchen appliances, easy maintenance becomes an important feature that enhances the overall ownership experience. Build quality feels solid and dependable. The appliance appears designed to withstand regular daily use while maintaining consistent cooking performance. The materials, controls, and overall construction contribute to a sense of reliability that many users look for when purchasing a new kitchen product. Of course, every product has its limitations. Due to its compact design, users preparing food for large groups may occasionally need to cook multiple batches. However, for everyday cooking needs, The capacity is generally more than sufficient and aligns well with the needs of most households. Overall, this compact 2-in-1 electric air fryer oven offers an excellent combination of functionality, convenience, efficiency, and versatility. It simplifies cooking, reduces countertop clutter, and provides multiple cooking methods in a single appliance. Whether you're air frying crispy snacks, baking desserts, roasting vegetables, or reheating meals, this appliance is designed to make everyday cooking easier and more enjoyable. Hi guys, if you want to buy this compact 2-in-1 electric air fryer oven, then please visit the link provided in the description. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future product reviews, appliance comparisons, and kitchen gadget recommendations.